Did you know the average backyard chef spends over 30 hours a year grilling, but not all grills are built to handle that heat? Whether you are flipping burgers for the family or entertaining a crowd, the best gas grills can completely transform your cooking experience. From portable designs to full-size powerhouses, we have rounded up the top performers you can trust for consistent heat, durability, and flavor. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Captiva Designs 4-Burner Propane Gas BBQ Grill. Captiva Designs 4-Burner Propane Grill is a strong contender for anyone seeking a feature-packed grilling station for the backyard or patio. With a total output of 42,000 BTUs and a side burner included, this grill delivers the heat and versatility needed for full meals and creative outdoor cooking. The porcelain-enameled cast iron grates are a standout feature, offering the benefits of both traditional cast iron and easy-clean enamel coating. They are resistant to rust and cracking, making them suitable for regular use while providing superior heat retention. The large cooking space totals 545 square inches, giving you enough room to grill steaks, vegetables, and sides all at once. One of the more practical advantages is the pull-out grease tray, which simplifies maintenance by collecting drips efficiently and cleaning up quickly. No more struggling with stuck-on grime or hard-to-reach corners. You also get a warming rack and a side storage cabinet, which provides extra room for propane tanks, grilling tools, or ingredients, keeping your space clean and functional. Number 4. Weber Genesis E325 Liquid Propane Gas Grill. The Weber Genesis E325 is a powerhouse built for grillers who want premium performance and features without compromise. With 3 pure blue burners that provide high heat with precision, this model delivers consistent flames that cover the entire grill surface. The tapered design of the burners prevents blockages and ensures that your food cooks evenly every time, even on high heat. One of the key highlights is its extra-large sear zone, designed for those who want to grill multiple steaks or burgers simultaneously. Whether you are hosting a big dinner or cooking multiple courses, there is more than enough room. The cast iron grates are porcelain enameled, retaining heat efficiently while preventing food from sticking, which helps with cleanup and gives that signature grilled flavor. Weber's grease management system makes post-cook cleanup stress-free. The pull-out grease tray collects residue without hassle and slides out easily for disposal. Add to that the flavorizer bars, which catch and vaporize drippings to enhance flavor while minimizing flare-ups. Number 3. Cuisinart 4-Burner Gas Grill. Cuisinart's 4-Burner Gas Grill is designed for those who want a full-size grilling experience with reliable power and versatility. This model delivers 44,000 BTUs across 4 burners, giving you precise temperature control and the ability to cook large meals efficiently. Whether you are searing steaks or slow-cooking chicken, the heat distribution remains even, thanks to its sturdy cast iron grates that lock in flavor and deliver that restaurant-quality sear. With over 443 square inches of primary cooking space and an extra 167 square inch warming rack, this grill can handle multiple dishes at once. Number 2. MasterCook 3-Burner BBQ Propane Gas Grill. If you are looking for a well-balanced, mid-sized gas grill that offers both performance and value, the MasterCook 3-Burner BBQ Grill should be high on your list. With 3 stainless steel burners delivering a total of 30,000 BTUs, this grill is built for backyard cookouts, family gatherings, or weekend barbecues. The integrated piezoelectric ignition system ensures a quick and smooth start with a simple twist of the knob, meaning you can get grilling in seconds. Where this model shines is in its smart design. The stainless steel control panel adds a refined touch, and the chromium-plated knobs offer not only durability but also ease of use. 2 foldable side tables give you extra prep space for utensils, trays, or condiments and can be tucked away when not needed, saving valuable space on smaller patios or decks. Number 1. Cuisinart Chef's Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill. Taking the top spot in our ranking, The Cuisinart Chef's style tabletop grill proves that compact size does not mean compromised performance. This model is a game changer for those who want the full grilling experience on the go. Weighing only 22 pounds, it is built for mobility yet delivers a powerful grilling performance with a combined output of 20,000 BTUs across 2 burners. Be sure to check out the links in the description to grab the best deals on your favorite model.